This machine you're looking at might look like a regular printer, but it's actually a new metalworking technology called multi-point forming. It uses a bunch of adjustable points, kind of like fingers, to press metal into complex shapes, even tricky ones like hyperbolic curves that are hard to make with traditional methods. In the past, making these kinds of metal parts meant building a mold first, which was slow and expensive. But with this machine, no mold is needed. Just tweak the program, and it can press a new shape right away, saving both time and mold costs. This technology is great for custom jobs. Whether it's a small batch or large-scale production, it gets done fast. It's quicker and more precise than hammering by hand, and many high-precision industries are already using it. Multi-point forming is changing how metal is shaped. What used to take days to make can now be done in just a few hours. It's a huge leap in efficiency and a new era for metal processing.